When you know the right tricks, cleaning your Scentsy Warmer dish is easy. It only takes a few moments to clean up wax and refill your warmer with a new fragrance. There's more than one way to clean a warmer dish. We recommend using cotton cleanup to quickly soak up melted wax. Use large cotton cleanup in full-size warmers and small cotton cleanup in mini warmers. Give it a swirl to get every last drop. But if you're out of cotton cleanup, you're not out of luck. Try one of these alternative methods. Use ordinary cotton balls to absorb the melted wax. Drop them in the dish, let them soak, and then discard. Turn off your warmer and let the wax solidify. Then, turn on your warmer and soften the wax slightly, and gently slide the wax out. Avoid forcing the wax or prying it out with sharp objects. It should slide out of the dish easily. Pour melted wax into a lined trash can and wipe the dish clean with a paper towel. Do not pour wax down the drain. If the wax is still fragrant and you want to save it for later, carefully pour the wax into the original clamshell and let it solidify. Not every wax dish is removable. If it's difficult to pour wax from the dish, skip the mess and use a cotton cleanup instead. If you have a broken dish or lid, don't worry. Ask your consultant or search their website for replacement parts. When the dish is clean, refill it with 2 to 4 Scentsy bar cubes and turn on your warmer. Enjoy your new fragrance!